Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra and calculus. The topic that is about first derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about natural law for the both sides. So we have the formula in here. So capital 8 that is about s, capital B that is about 4 to the power of s. And now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So we have the formula in here. And the second one, this one that is about the product rule of derivative. So in this situation, this one that is about first derivative of y over y. This one that is about 4 to the power of s, f and s. Later that we need to do first derivative of f and s multiplied by 4 to the power of s. So this one that is about 4 to the power of s, f and number 4. This one that is about 1 over s. And later that we multiply both sides by y. And this one that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.